Comes in a nice box, which is standard for JBL. It's also got the IPX7 sweat and waterproof, and also active noise cancelling, which I think is absolutely fantastic, which we'll go into shortly. There's a bit more on the box about the key features. It also has the ambient aware and voice system, which is really handy as well, which we'll look at shortly. So let's have a look at what comes in the box. So there we are. So again, you can see straight away the lovely Pebble look. We'll take it out and we'll have a bit of a look at the Pebble now. So it's a bit more difficult to pop out these just because they sit in here. So there's the Pebble and here's the earbuds. Now the Pebble I love straight away because look how small it is. It fits in my hand. Now you're going to find later in the review that this is so small they actually had difficulty, I kept on losing it all the time, which is very interesting. And here's the earbuds, again, a lot smaller than the JBL Reflect Flow. The JBL Reflect Mini, they're a lot smaller, and I found them a lot more comfortable as well. But we'll look at those a bit more in a moment. We'll just put them down there for now as we have a look. So what else comes in the box? So let's take it out. So here we have the instruction guide. So it has used USB-C charging, which is really good. It means it charges very, very quickly. Now they have 21 hours total battery life, so 14 hours in the case and 7 hours in the earbuds, which is really good as well. Again, you get your quick start guide, which is quite standard for JBL, as well as your instruction booklets, all there, which we'll just put to the side. You can look at those in due course, and some more booklets there, which are quite good. So here's the JBL case again. As you can see, it's very, very small. Now if you open it up as well, the earbuds fit in there quite well, so there goes one in there, and the other one goes in there, just like that. See, it fits in well. Now, very, very light, doesn't weigh much at all. Now the earbuds, as soon as you take them out, activate, so you can use them in the ear, which is really handy. Now, the JBL have great Bluetooth connectivity as well. I could use them in the next room, and the active noise cancelling is really easy to use, which we'll go through shortly. You can also use it for Google Siri Assistant as well, just by pressing the buttons, and also the active ambient aware means you can press a button and hold a conversation with other people, so which makes it really, really useful. So as you can see, very, very nice looking earbuds, and there's the charging port at the bottom as well. So anyway, we're going to go jump out now and have a bit of a look at how these are used actually out and about. We'll go through some of the features, check out the app, so you can see what you think of the JBL